everyone, I'm Klarice with Georgia Carpet, and in today's video we are talking about indoor-outdoor carpet.
Yeah, and I'm Johnny. Usually we're at the corner in the store, but today we're sitting out by the pool on a piece of indoor-outdoor carpet. Loving the rays, man. It's a beautiful day in Georgia. We got our drinks.
We do. Cheers.
Cheers. Got our glasses. Klarice got us these beautiful luau skirts that go good with the color of my eyes.
I just thought we'd do something fun and different.
We're loving this beautiful day.
Yeah, so indoor-outdoor carpet is very versatile in the sense that you can use it almost anywhere, and it can go anywhere that traditional carpet cannot be installed. And it's just a simple, easy way to add comfort and style and cozy up your porch, your deck, your patio, anywhere by the pool, kind of like what we're doing here. And so, again, colors. They
Plenty of colors.
Different colors.
Today we've got green like grass, but you can get it blues, blacks, browns, different colors.
What's on this board right here.
Yeah, make it fit any decor that you need.
Exactly.
So let's talk about where.
Where would you use it?
Yeah.
Okay, so where you could use indoor-outdoor carpet. Places would be your deck, your porch, your patio, or your sunroom. Adding outdoor carpet or an area rug is a simple way to make these areas of your home more cozy and comfortable, and it can also help protect these areas from wear and tear.
Yeah, and as we've already stated, it's perfect by the pool. Instead of burning your feet on hot concrete, you can have a comfortable surface that will save your feet from the burn, or in marine on boats.
That's right. And using an outdoor area rug in moisture-prone areas such as basements, laundry rooms, or even bathrooms is a smart solution to help prevent mold and mildew.
And I left this part out. It's good for barbecues.
Yes.
And helps catch messes and ice cream droppings and stuff.
Exactly. All right, so aside from places where outdoor carpet can be used, it is also a good point to say that these are also very affordable and durable solutions.
Yeah, so it never really becomes damaged by wet rain, by frost or snow. Also, it doesn't fade with exposure to sunlight.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's talk about types of outdoor carpet. Most outdoor carpet is low pile loop or Berber, cut in loop patterned, or flat woven. All handle the wear and tear of weather and foot traffic better than plush pile carpets. For completely exposed areas or high humidity climates, choose a carpet with all-weather marine backing to resist moisture.
Yeah, there's three major types of fibers that are used in indoor-outdoor carpet. You got the polypropylene, which is the olefin, a polyester, and a nylon. Out of those three, for fade and stain resistance, probably polyester is the best one you want to go with.
Okay, so we are going to get into some tests right now. We're going to show you how easy it is to clean outdoor carpet. And that is one of the biggest selling points, is that it has little to no maintenance and it is easy to clean.
Yeah, it's so easy to clean, you can just use water. Most times just brush off the dirt.
Use a push broom.
And debris, then just spray it with some water, and we're going to do that.
We're actually going to show you.
We're going to do that right now. So, as usual, at the flooring corner, we have our household items.
Yep.
Ketchup, mustard, barbecue sauce, a nice drink.
You got it.
And if you'll imagine, go up here, something like that happens. And Klarice, I'll let you do the honors here. Start with some mustard over there. Oh, there you go. We're gonna do a little ketchup here. Ooh.
That was a lot.
That was a lot of ketchup.
And barbecue sauce.
And this is barbecue sauce. This is some local, homemade, hot barbecue sauce. This stuff is good. I hate to waste it, but
just a little bit.
There you go. Now, we're gonna let that sit for a little bit. We're gonna come back. We're gonna spray it.
And we're gonna spray down with the hose. That is one of the ways you can clean your outdoor carpet, is just spraying it with the water hose, or really getting in with a push broom if you need to.
Yeah, just let that sit. We'll be right back with you.
Be right back.
Guys, we are back. First things first, get off any kind of loose debris that you can. Get that out of the way. Just take your water hose. Do a little extra spraying just to make sure all the juices get out. And it's that simple. Yeah, so let's talk about installation.
Yeah.
I love it. This stuff's easy to install. pretty much what we did with this piece. We just unrolled it and got on top of it.
That's right.
It's easy to do. You can use some double-sided adhesive on decks and patios. In some rare cases, people will use adhesive if it blows off during windy times or in stormy or windy areas. But it's not advised because the adhesive, you will not be able to get that off the deck.
Stick to your floor.
Or the patio. It will stick there. You can throw the indoor-outdoor carpet away, but that will always remain there and be tough to get off. So definitely just want to roll it off. So, Klarice, what did we learn today?
Let's see, that you can clean it with just water.
Easy to clean.
Little to no maintenance, easy to clean.
You can put it anywhere.
Put it anywhere. It comes in many colors, styles, and textures, so there's really no limit to indoor-outdoor carpet and places that you can use it, and it just adds comfort to your space. It makes outdoor spaces feel a little more cozy, underfoot and things like that.
And it adds color. Yeah, adds color.
Adds color.
To your outdoor space, yeah.
Exactly. So if you want to know more about indoor-outdoor carpet or how you can get some indoor-outdoor carpet, check out georgiacarpet.com or also give us a call and we'll be happy to help you. And
we're just going to
hang out here by the pool now.
Enjoy our drinks, enjoy the Georgia sunshine.
Exactly.
You guys have a wonderful day.
Bye. See you next time.
See ya.